What's going on, everyone? Barry Wise here once again. So, I'm disappointed in this 5000 series launch. A lot of tech tubers are too. However, this is just mind-boggling. So, I was looking at prices on 57 Ti's, and I just found out. Usually ASUS is the villain in this. However, it's MSI this time. I like MSI. I like ASUS. It's about the only two companies I actually like. The MSI Vanguard card is almost, I think it's $20 more than the Asus ROG Strix, I believe it is. And that one's almost 50, 80 money. It's pretty close. However, the other one is actually over the 5080 Founders Edition by $6. So this whole freaking being, hey, we're spending more money than what we're getting for performance. Because you can get a 5080 Founders Edition for the price of the MSI Vanguard, and it's a little cheaper. Let me rewind to 4000 series. The most expensive card at that launch was the Asus ROG Strix 4070 Ti. That was $985. So this whole aspect of this, astronomical prices is stupid. AIB cards should not be $250 more than MSRP. For a 5070 Ti card? No. Now, if you're going with the 5090, yes, I can understand the price difference because that PCB for that thing, that's not that big. However, the AIB cards are going to have to be bigger because they're probably going to, amp it up a little bit more. I could be wrong. I don't know. And their coolers are bigger and all that stuff. So, and it's just, this whole launch is just gone crazy. From melting connectors to literal paper launches to disappointments and the performance uplift that we've got from this generation. Now, I do give NVIDIA some slack on this. The reason why I say this is because the new cards, they're dual GPUs. Technically, not really. They're dual GPU cores. This has been done in the past, but not like this. Older cards were actually had two physical GPUs on them, one with their own memory and everything. So it's just that this whole launch has been crazy. And a friend of the channel, actually, I ended up contacting him and say, hey, how much did you spend for your 5080s? So he bought two for his friends and one for him. He was $1,300 plus tax for an MSI Trio, a Ventus, and a Zotac OC. So 3 cards. It's $300 more, almost $400 more. Yes, I would say about 300 because, 1,300 compared to 1,000. But, I mean, this whole launch has just been nothing but disappointments for me. Like I said, I'm not upgrading. It's not worth it. Yes, the 5090 is a monstrous card. However, 600 watts, where 525 watts should be, theoretically, on the power cable. However, that's not the case, apparently. We're seeing over 600 watts. And these spikes that are well, I think, I don't remember who it was. One of the other, I think it was Gamer Nexus, that he saw over 1,000 watts on a spike. That's absolutely bananas, guys. 1,000 watts. That's my power supply for Yggdrasil. Yggdrasil's no slouch. However, that's nuts. If I threw the freaking card in, I'd be screwed. I'd be absolutely screwed. So, also kind of cool. Redditor, I'll throw it on this side. He bought a 5070 Ti actually before embargo for $1,000. So that was kind of cool. Maybe he'll give us some, you know, tips and tricks about it. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. This whole launch has been nothing about disappointments, guys. Everything and anything about this launch has been, it's been embarrassing for NVIDIA, honestly. I hope the 5070 Ti is going to be a good card. We know the 5080 is worth the price. I don't think the 5090 is worth the price. I honestly don't. For the performance uplift. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Honestly, this one's just a big heaping pile of crap. See you guys later.